A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark decision, the Supreme Court has upheld President Trump's authority to dismiss federal agency officials who were appointed to fixed terms by Congress. The ruling, which came down on Thursday with a 6-3 vote, sets aside previous rulings that would have reinstated two Biden appointees, Gwen Wilcox and Kathy Harris, to their respective positions on the National Labor Relations Board and the Merit Systems Protection Board. This decision marks a significant shift in the interpretation of executive power and the independence of federal agencies, raising questions about the balance of power between the presidency and Congress. The court's conservative majority emphasized that the Constitution grants the president the executive power to remove officials without cause, particularly those who act on his behalf. The justices clarified that the ruling does not extend to the Federal Reserve Board, which operates under a unique structure and historical context. The implications of this ruling are profound, as it challenges a long-standing precedent established in 1935, which allowed Congress to create independent boards with fixed terms for their members. This precedent was designed to insulate certain officials from political pressures and ensure nonpartisan governance. Trump's legal team argued that the president's control over executive agencies grants him the authority to terminate officials appointed by previous administrations, a stance that has garnered significant support among conservatives. However, dissenting justices, including Elena Kagan, voiced concerns that this ruling undermines decades of precedent and the will of Congress. The National Labor Relations Board, established in 1935, is responsible for enforcing labor laws, while the Merit Systems Protection Board, created in 1978, reviews complaints from federal employees who allege wrongful termination. Both boards play crucial roles in maintaining fair labor practices and protecting civil service rights. Trump's decision to fire Wilcox and Harris, despite their terms not having expired, left both boards without a quorum, effectively paralyzing their operations. Critics argue that this move represents a dangerous precedent that could lead to increased politicization of federal agencies. As the nation grapples with the implications of this ruling, it remains to be seen how it will affect the functioning of independent agencies and the broader landscape of executive power in the United States. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.